Hey, it's Plus Size Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup and how I achieve my birthday look. Right now I'm doing my brows. I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer in Chestnut, and I'm going to clean those brows up. Okay, it's alright if you get a little sloppy on the ends because that concealer is going to clean it right on up, honey. So just stay tuned and watch the video. I'm going to be in and out. I'm just going to let it play. So here we go. Now, as you can see, I'm just blending in that concealer. You want to kind of like pull down. You want to blend down so that way you thin it out and it blends better. I'm using a lighter color because I'm going to be using this color to contour my face. Again, this is Chestnut and LA Girl Pro Concealer. So just continue watching. I'm going to go ahead and let it play. Okay, now that I'm just about done blending in that concealer, I'm going to go in with my foundation in the color Black Walnut, and I'm going to put it on my face. I also have my foundation sponge, as you saw. So again, yeah, I'm going to go in with that foundation, apply it all over my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my concealer and contour in, and now you see me just blending. Okay, yes, baby, beat that face, bitch. Beat that motherfucking face. Oh my God. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Pro Concealer Highlight Champagne under my eyebrow, and it's just gonna give it a little pop. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in right now. And then after that, you're gonna see me put on my eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm just touching up my eyebrow a little bit, going back in with my black shadow just to touch it up, you know, little touches and goes that you can do. Is optional, and of course that black is not going to show. And now I'm going in with my color palette, and I'm going to go in with gold, and I'm going to just put that gold eyeshadow on my eye. Okay, now I'm going in with this kind of pink color from a different eyeshadow palette. I will have all the products that I use in the description box. So I'm gonna put that pink on my above my eyelid. Sorry, tongue twister. And I'm gonna put it in my creases of my eye. Then I'm gonna go in with my black because I want like a shadowy look, and I'm gonna add that to the end of my eyelid and in the creases. And as you can see now, I'm just blending that shit in. Blend, blend, blend is the word of the day, because everything looks better once it's blended. So yes, now you see me just blending in that black. It's okay, I see that little bit in the corner up top. You will not see that once this look is done. But baby, just blend that shit. That's all you gotta do. Just blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, and now you're gonna see me go in there with my palette again, and I'm gonna put that white under my eyebrows just to give it a little pop, a little shine, and I'm gonna blend that shit again. Like I said, it's all about blending. I'm gonna blend that shit in with the makeup that I have on, and it's gonna pop, period. Let me know what you all want to see next. So drop a comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see. I can do cooking videos, breastfeeding videos, get ready with me videos. I actually have some try on videos coming with some plus size clothes for you beautiful divas. And yeah, so stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you all next video.